Hello mga ka-travel, this is Madoka of Global Pinoy Travel and Tours. Another day, another travel. Sa kalipas na nag-iisip kung saan po tayo pupunta sa holiday season. So we have here the charming of Eastern Europe 2025. So with 5 countries po ito, Germany, Austria, Czech, Slovakia, and Hungary. At ang date po ng tour natin is from December 23 up to January 2 ng 2026. So this is an 11 days and 8 night tour package at isa po sa highlight nito ay ang Christmas and New Year celebration. Kumpleto po lahat ng activities from day 1 hanggang 11. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Isama mo na lahat ng friends mo na gustong mag-travel sa Europe kasi from 20 bucks you can get this tour package for only $2,700 per pax po. So for inclusions and exclusions of this package, and for those who are interested, please do message me directly on my FB Messenger for me to guide you on your next travel destination. With that, God bless po sa ating lahat.